Hello everyone, this is the Browning C6 swordfish knife. Feels like a pen in the hand, very easy to use, very pocket friendly with a belt clip, a glass breaker, very lightweight and simple and easy to use. We request you to subscribe to our channel and watch more product videos of ours. Thank you very much. Professional heavy-duty nail clipper with options of flat or curved jaws to choose from, with a sharp cutting edge, contemporary stainless steel design, and high-quality performance. The nail clipper, 2 centimeters wide and 10 centimeters long, fits comfortably in the hand, giving a sharp, clean cut. Please do subscribe to the channel and do watch more product videos of ours. Thank you very much.